Hi, I'm Andy Carlson. What's something I'm building right now that I'm excited about? I kind of build every day, but probably one thing that I would talk about is this research tool that I built. So we are constantly looking out on the frontier and trying to figure out what's happening. But I wanted to specifically take a view of what I consider the AI luminaries, what they're saying, how they're talking about things and what's bubbling up. So I wanted to look at their quotes. So I set up 30, 35 of my favorite guys that I watch on a regular basis and went and researched and captured all of what they're talking about. And then I created a persona about how they talk. And then I looked at the next tiers down below. So another 100 or so of the biggest communicators around AI and innovation and frontier work, and then a bunch of the research organizations. And then I looked at the kind of the media and the way things are talking. What I wanted to see is if things were bubbling up through these tiers to these leaders so that it was something that I should be talking to clients about. I built a plugin that had multiple layers of research, synthesizing the content, developing and extracting the themes using some k-means clustering, started having it debate about what one versus another would say and where the conflict was, where the convergence was, where things were bubbling up. Kind of took me a couple of days to get a baseline version of it, and then a couple of weeks to continue to refine it. And I now use it every day to kind of think about what's happening on the frontier, and I couldn't have done it without the AI tool building capabilities. How has AI changed the way I build? I think the answer is it's fundamentally changed everything I do. My background is on the product side, and as much as I'm a geek and I love technology, I've never been a coder. I write a little bit here and there, and I've always wanted to learn more, and these new tools have actually allowed me to become a coder. I now write easily 1,000x more code than I ever did before. These new CLI tools, the harnesses, and there's a bunch of choices on there, but the code generation toolkits are spectacular and they keep getting better. And what I would tell you is you need to try it if you haven't before, because I would make the argument that all knowledge work can be done by code or is becoming code work. And the way it happens is you have this conversation with these agents or these toolkits and you make a plan, but that whole process is about problem definition and decomposing it and considering pathways and developing solutions. And you kind of use it as a thought partner to kind of get to a better way to approach it. And then you ask it to execute it in code. And it writes lines and lines of code. It produces things, and if you don't like it, you change it. It creates this incredible freedom. The friction of developing is just substantially less. AI has fundamentally made me a builder because I'm accessing these toolkits, and I would encourage all of you to take a look and give it a try, access that power. I'm Andy Carlson, and I'm a builder.